Hey everyone, my name is Jacquelynn. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change out the cufflinks on a rear tilt on a Palm Beach shutter. The first thing I want to show you are the louvers, letting you know, make sure you know what those are, what a cufflink looks like so you can see how these look and how they attach to the tilt bar that you can see here as well. Moving into the actual repair, you'll see me taking the last little piece of the old cufflinks off. Pliers work, and then you can also use the tip of the screwdriver to knock the rest of the plastic piece into the internal piece of the louver that you see here, and there will be a hole that is left over. That is where the new cufflink will fit in. After you do that, you'll see here I'm prying with the screwdriver. Just made it a little easier to take the cufflink, the old cufflink, off the tilt bar. Slide the screwdriver in between the tilt bar and the cufflink, and it should snap right off. Once you do that, you can see here that we're going to add the new ones. There's a hole left over in the tilt bar, the rear tilt bar itself, and then there are some grooves on the cufflink. As you can see, sometimes it goes in, sometimes it takes a little bit of maneuvering, but they will snap in. Make sure to face the cufflink the correct direction so that the extra piece that is still sticking out will fit into the hole of the louver. Once you get everything in place, then it's just a snap in for the cufflink to the louver of the shutter. They work like so. And then you'll want to go through and test the louvers and make sure that they all work in unison. And that is how you do a cufflink replacement.